Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic, quadratic inequality. Quadratic inequality. First example, 2.13, 30th example. Solve 3x square plus 5x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. It is equal, we can say that is called quadratic equation. And this less than or equal to 0 is given, therefore this it is equation defined by quadratic inequality. Now how to solve? First we have to take the given equation that is equal to 0. X square plus it is 5, it is x, minus it is 2, and that is equal to 0. Take first it is equal to 0, find out that it is factors of the quadratic equation first. Then multiply a term minus 6 and to get it is plus it is 5, and what are the two terms? It is 6 into 1, it is plus minus. Plus into minus, minus 6 ones are it is 6, and add the value we get it is 5. Therefore along with x square we have it is 3 and divided by 3. 3 by it is 3, therefore plus it is 2 minus it is 1 by it is 3. Now what are the two factors? X plus 2, x minus 1 by 3. X plus 2 into x minus it is 1 by 3 equal to 0, Either it is x plus it is 2 that is equal to 0, or it is x minus it is 1 by 3 that is equal to 0. Therefore x that is equal to minus 2 and x that is equal to 1 by it is 3. Therefore we obtain two value of x. One is called x equal to minus 2, another one is called x equal to 1 by 3, and these two are called critical it is number, critical it is point. The critical points are it is critical it is values. We can see that it is critical values, or it is called 2 minus 2 comma 1 by it is 3, and the critical values or it is critical points are defined by minus 2 comma 1 by 3. Now using this it is critical it is point, just we have to split this interval. We know that total it is interval is defined by minus infinity to it is plus infinity. In this it is number line minus infinity plus infinity. One of the values called minus it is 1. First plot the negative value minus 1, then positive value 1 by 3, positive value 1 by it is 3. Now this it is total it is interval. Divide the interval, it is minus infinity to minus it is 2, one interval. Then minus 2 to minus 2 to it is 1 by 3 is another it is interval. Minus 2 to 1 by it is 3 is another interval. Then it is 1 by 3 to plus it is infinity as another interval. So divide that it is total interval depends upon the critical value with splitting of this interval form. Now using this it is intervals, just we have to verify. The given obtained intervals are minus infinity to minus it is 2, one interval, minus 2 to plus it is 1 by 3, another interval, 1 by 3 to plus it is infinity, another third interval. Now, and this it is equation obtained two it is factors. One is called x plus 2, another one is called x minus 1 by 3. The two are factors of this it is equation. Therefore take this factor x plus it is 2, then another it is factor it is x minus it is 1 by 3, then it is total equation defined by this equation 3x plus it is 5, it is 3x square plus 5x minus 2, and this it is equation. Comparing of it is the factor x plus it is 1, and we can select any one of this value between of it is minus infinity to plus it is 2 and substitute in this equation. Therefore if you put as x value equal to minus 3, because minus 3 in this interval, minus 3 plus it is 2, minus 3 only greatest value it is minus. Then take same it is minus 3 here, minus 3 minus it is 1 by 3, both are minus. So my two are it is in the product factors, therefore this factor into this factor only we get it is this equation. Therefore minus in the minus we get plus it is term. Now minus it is 2 to plus it is 1 by 3, minus 2 to plus 1 by 3 it is approximately it is 0. 0 can take it is approximately it is any of the value. Therefore, minus 3 between the value minus 1, 0, 0 point something not get 1. So therefore, 0 and some minus 1, 0 are in this interval. We can put supposed to be 0 in this interval. 0 plus 2 it is plus. Then 0 minus it is 1 by 2 minus it is value. So plus it to minus it is minus. Then it is positive value, it is 1 by 3 is called approximately 0 point. We can take 1 in the interval. 1 plus 2 it is called plus. 1 minus 1 by 2 is called what? 1 minus it is 1 by 3, 3 minus it is 1 by it is 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore it is positive value, it is plus. Plus into plus it is a plus. Now our equation it is what? It is less than or equal to 0 means it is what? 0 only biggest, this equation obtained less than of 0 value. Therefore negative value only obtained this equation. Therefore which value of this interval the expression obtained it is negative. Therefore what is the value of expression? Minus 2 1 by it is 2. Therefore and this it is inequality 3x square plus it is 5x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0 for it is x belongs to closed interval of minus 2 comma 1 by it is 3. And this it is inequality satisfied in the condition of minus 2 closed bracket. If you substitute it is minus 2 it is called included or closed bracket. Open bracket means it is not including of this it is two numbers, it is called not include the end point, it is called not include end point. If it is closed bracket we can include this in end point, it is called minus 2 comma 1 by it is 3. If you substituting this it is minus 2 and 1 by 2 in this it is equation, it is also obtained it is less than or equal to 0 only. Therefore for this it is interval minus 2 1 by it is 2 closed bracket only, this it is inequality is true. Therefore the solution set that is equal to closed bracket of minus 2 comma 1 by 3 is called it is solution set. Therefore solution set, therefore it is a solution that is equal to x belongs to closed bracket of minus 2 comma 1 by it is 3, 1 by it is 3. Come to next example number 2.14, 40th example. Solve this inequality. The square root of x plus 14 less than x plus it is 2. Now this it is inequality is satisfied the important two condition, and this it is true. What is it? The square root of x plus it is 14 is it is defined for x plus it is 14 is greater than or equal to 0. X plus it is 14 is greater than or equal to 0. The within the square root value must be is greater than or equal to 0. Then only it is the inequality is true. And also, and this it is value x plus it is 2. It is greater than or equal to 0. Both are it is positive value. Both are it is a positive value. Then. So therefore it is what? Here it is x plus it is 14 greater than or equal to 0. Just transfer x is greater than or equal to minus it is 14. Similarly, x plus it is 2 greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to minus 2. Therefore the two value x obtain the minimum value equal to minus it is minus 14. Here it is x obtain minimum value equal to minus 2. Two values are it is obtained now. Now come to next, take a given equation, given that square root of x plus it is 14 is less than it is x plus it is 2. To remove the square root, take a square on it is both sides. Square root of x plus it is 14 it is whole square, less than it is x plus it is 2. X plus it is 2 it is whole square. Now square root will cancel, x plus it is 14 less than square the term applying of a plus b formula, x square plus it is 4 and plus it is 2 into 2 it is called 4 into x. Now all the term transferred to it is the right hand side equation. 0 in the left hand side equation less than x square plus it is 4x, then minus it is x, then plus it is 4 and then minus it is 14, Now 0 less than x square, separate term, plus it is 3, it is x, minus it is 10. 14 minus plus it is 4 by 10. Now we can rewrite as it is x square plus it is 3x minus 10, that is greater than it is 0. Greater than 0. This is the inequality. Now just we have to, what we have to do, taking off it is this equation equal to 0 to find out a critical it is points. Therefore x square plus it is 3x minus it is 10, that is equal to 0. We want to factorize it is minus 10 and we want to get it is plus it is 5, plus it is 3. Therefore what are two terms? It is 5 into 2 it is 10 plus it is minus. Therefore plus into minus, minus 5 2s are 10, add the value you get plus it is 3. Therefore factors are defined by x plus it is 5 into x minus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore either x plus it is 5 equal to 0 or it is x minus 2, that is equal to 0. X is, that is equal to minus it is 5, then x that is equal to plus 2. We obtain another, it is 2 more, it is value of it is x. Now this values are comparing, it is a line, number line. This equation, these points are we discussed in the number line. Now this it is x values are discussed in the number line. Just put the number line minus infinity to plus it is infinity. And minus it is 14, least value, comparing of 4 it is values, therefore minus it is 14. Then next it is smallest value, minus it is 5. The next it is biggest one, it is minus it is 2. And next biggest number it is called plus 2. Now comparing of this line it is number line. Now here it is this, it is x is greater or equal to minus 14, it is defined by the x can take the value minus 14 and it is more. Therefore from here it is starting, it is x values. And comparing of it is inequality for this it is 1. It is inequality for this it is 1. X square plus it is 3x minus it is 10. It is greater than it is 0. Now find out inequality. What is the inequality is obtained here? The two factors are x plus 3, x minus it is x plus it is 5, x minus it is 2. The two factors are x plus it is 5, x minus 2. X plus it is x plus 5 into x it is minus 2, it is greater than it is 0, greater than 0. Therefore x plus it is 5 greater than 0 or it is x minus 2 greater than 0. X is greater than minus it is 5, then x is greater than it is 2. It is 2, it is inequalities. Therefore here a critical value equal to minus it is 5. Here x is greater than it is 5. Therefore the value of it is x takes it is greater than it is 5. So more than of it is 5, minus 5. More than of 5 may take it is minus 4, minus 3, etc. like that. And it is come to it is positive infinity. After that, then it is x is greater or equal to minus 2. So it is minus 2 and it is more than that, it is this it is area obtained, this it is side, and this number lines are obtained, it is x is greater or equal to minus it is 2. Now next one it is x is greater than it is 2. X greater than 2 is called from here to it is positive 1. And comparing of all the value, and this it is minus 2 to plus infinity, and this it is limit only, it is common for all, it is 4 limits. Therefore, and this inequality, the inequality given it is root of it is x plus it is 14 less than x plus it is 2, and this it is inequality square root of x plus 14 less than x plus it is 2. It is satisfied only x is belongs to 2 comma infinity. That is simply you can say x is greater than 2. X greater than 2 and x is value of it take the value. X can take the value more than 2. That value is only this inequality is true. Come to next example number, it is 2.15, 50th example. Solve this equation square root of 6 minus 4x minus x square, that is equal to x plus it is 4. Now this equation square root of 6 minus 4 it is x minus x square is it is defined for the right hand side equation should be positive, that is called x plus it is 4 is greater than or equal to 0. If the any square root it is value, the right hand side should be it is positive, then only this equation is existed. If any negative value, this square root obtained it is imaginary. Therefore, for x plus it is 4 is greater than or equal to 0, just transfer the 4 aside, x greater than or equal to minus it is 4. One of the interval of it is x. Now, the given that square root of 6 minus 4 it is x minus x square, that is equal to x plus it is 4. Now, to avoid the square root, take a square root on both sides. Therefore, square root of 6 minus 4 it is x minus x square, it is whole square, that is equal to x plus it is 4, it is whole square. Now, square root will cancel. 6 minus 4 it is x minus x square, that is equal to a plus b whole square. For expand the value, x square plus it is 4 into 2 it is called 8x plus it is 4 square is called 16. Now, all the term to transfer to right hand side equation, first term x square minus x square transfer side, it is plus it is x square plus it is 8x, then plus it is 4 it is x plus it is 16, then minus it is 6, that is equal to 0. Now, just simplify x square plus x square, it is 2x square, then plus it, add the term, it is 12 it is x and plus it is 10, that is equal to 0. Now, possible to take commonly, it is 2. Therefore, take it is 2 commonly divided by it is 2. Therefore, what is it? X square plus it is 6 it is x and plus it is 5, that is equal to 0. Now, we want to factorize minus plus it is 5 plus it is 6. What are two terms? 5 into 1 plus into plus into plus 5 into 1 is 5, add the term, it is 6. Therefore, the factors are it is x plus it is 5 into x plus it is 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, either it is x plus it is 5 equal to 0, otherwise x plus it is 1, that is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5, then x is equal to it is minus it is 1. Now, we know the exact value greater than or equal to 14 means either we can take x equal to minus 14 or it is more than minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, etc. up to it is plus it is infinity. But no chance to get the value of it is x equal to minus 4. Therefore, this it is value is not, it is attained, not possible one. Therefore, we can take x is equal to minus it is 1. Therefore, the value of x equal to minus it is 1. Come to next. Exercise problem 2.5. The first sum as it is homework. Come to second, it is sum. Minus x square plus it is 3x minus it is 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now, given equation minus it is x square plus it is 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Just it is multiplied, it is by it is minus symbol the throughout equation. Minus into minus plus it is x square, minus into plus minus it is 3 it is x, minus into minus plus it is 2, and minus into greater or equal to change less than or equal to 0. Minus into greater or equal to will change less than or equal to 0. Therefore, the inequality x square minus 3x plus it is 2 less than or equal to 0. Now, what we have to do, take this equality, either you can take factorize. Therefore, factorize equation plus 2 and minus 3 and 2 into 1, both are it is minus. Minus minus plus it is 2 and add the value you get minus 2. Therefore, factors are x minus 2 into x minus this 1 less than or equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 2 less than or equal to 0 or it is x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Just transfer the term x less than or equal to plus 2, then it is x is less than or equal to plus it is 1. And we obtain two values. It is called simply the critical values are defined by, the critical points are defined by x equal to x is equal to 1 and x is equal to plus it is 2. Now, the number line minus infinity to plus it is infinity, and one of the values called plus 1, another value is called it is plus 2. Plus 1 plus 2. Now the intervals are divide minus infinity to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to it is infinity. Therefore, the interval minus infinity to plus it is 1, minus infinity to plus 1. Then 1 to it is 2, 1 to 2. Then 2 to it is plus infinity, plus infinity. Now, here it is two factors of polynomial, that is x minus 2, x minus this 1, x minus 2, x minus 2, and factors of this expression. Therefore, we can take x minus 2 and then it is x minus it is 1. Then product of the term is defined by it is x square minus 3x plus it is 2. Now between the of it is minus b to 1 we can put any value, and 0 minus 1 etc. it is where minus b is called this containing the interval. We put x value equal to 0, 0 in this interval. Minus into 1, one of the value is called 0. 0 into minus 2 minus, 0 into minus 1 minus, minus into minus it is plus. Then between of it is 1 to 2. 1 to 2 we can take 1.5. 1.5 minus it is 2, minus it is 2 only biggest minus. 1.5 minus 1 it is my 1.5 only biggest it is a plus. Then plus into minus, minus into plus it is a minus. Then we can take from the interval of 2 to infinity, plus infinity, one of the value is called 3, 4, 5 etc. It is, we can substitute x value equal to 3 here. 3 minus it is 2, 3 only biggest it is a plus. 3 minus it is 1, 3 only plus it is biggest plus. Plus into plus it is plus. So now what is inequality? Inequality now we obtain it is less than or equal to 0. What value of it is the x value? It obtained less than or equal to 0. That is called negative value of this expression. Therefore the only one in this case of it is 1, 2 only obtained it is negative. Therefore the inequality x square minus 3 it is x plus it is 2 is less than or equal to 0. Therefore this it is inequality x square minus 3x plus it is 2 less than or equal to 0 satisfied for, and the closed bracket of 1 comma it is 2, and this interval only obtain negative, and also the end point of the interval 1 comma 2 also satisfied it is less than it is 0 only. But what is given equation? Minus it is x square plus it is 3x minus 2 it is greater than or equal to 0, and this equation also it is true for x belongs to it is a closed bracket of 1 comma it is 2, 1 comma 2. Therefore the given it is inequality it is satisfied for x belongs to 1 comma 2. Therefore x belongs to the solution of x is equal to x belongs to closed bracket of 1 comma it is 2. Now just we have discussed some related to it is polynomial equation. First it is 1. Find the zeros of the polynomial function f of x equal to 4x square minus it is 25. Find the zeros, that is zeros is called roots or it is values of the polynomial. Now it is zeros of the polynomial means by applying of it is factor theorem. By factor theorem f of it is x value that is equal to 0. If any value of x, that value of the function it obtains 0, therefore it is x is called it is factor of the polynomial. X is called factor of the polynomial. Therefore the function that is given f of x equal to 4 it is x square minus it is 25 that is equal to 0. Now just it is factorized equation, we can take it is transfer the term 4 it is x square that is equal to 20 it is 5. X square is equal to 25 by it is 4, by it is 4. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus square root of it is 25 by it is 4, that is equal to plus or minus it is 5 by it is 2. It is called it is x value. It is called x value. Therefore x1 x we can take it is minus it is 5 by it is 2 and it is and 5 by it is 2 plus it is 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. The value of x minus it is 5 by it is 2 and it is 5 by it is 2. The two values are called zeros or roots or values of it is given it is a polynomial it is function. Come to next. Second it is sum. If x equal to minus 2 is one of the root of this polynomial x power 3 minus x square minus 17x that is equal to 22. Then find the other it is root of this equation. So the given polynomial defined by it is let it is f of it is x that is equal to x power 3 minus it is x square minus 17x, and if you transfer this term to right hand side equation minus 22 minus it is 22 equal to 0 equal to 0. Now given that x is equal to minus this 2. That means transfer here x plus 2 equal to 0. Yeah, therefore it is roots of the equation, it is zeros of the equation, means by applying of it is factor theorem. By applying of it is factor theorem, we can say x plus 2 is one of it is factors of the polynomial. It is defined by f of x. Therefore it is one of the factor, and using of this it is considered, this number is called it is divisor. Therefore by applying of synthetic division to find out other factors, therefore the given equation is defined by applying of synthetic division. Quotient of x power 3 equal to 1, quotient of x square equal to minus this 1, quotient of x equal to minus it is 17, then constant term defined by minus this 22, and divisor, that is called, it is one of the factor of the equation. It is one of the divisor is called x equal to minus 2, divisor equal to minus 2. The first term we can put 0, adding the two term 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Then multiply the term minus 2 plus it is 1, it is minus 2, adding these two term minus 3. Then multiply these two term minus this 2 minus this 3 plus it is 6, add value it is minus it is 11. Again multiply minus 2 into minus it is 11, minus plus it is 22, then it is add value we get 0, that is called it is remainder, that is called remainder. If the remainder is 0, then we can say that it is x equal to minus 2 is called it is the divisor. That divisor is called one of the factor of the polynomial, because of it is remainder equal to 0. How to find the other factor? The remaining of it is quotients are defined by other factor, and this quotient is defined by, and x power 3 it is called given equation. The 1 power s it is cancelled. The next it is power is called x square minus 3x plus minus it is 11. Therefore the remaining it is remaining quotient. The quotient defined by x square minus 3x minus it is 11, and using this it is quotient, we have to find out the other it is factor. Therefore other it is factor or other it is roots are defined by x square minus 3 it is x minus it is 11, and that is equal to 0. Therefore by applying of it is factorization not possible to factorize by applying a quadratic formula. Here quotient of it is x defined by a, that is equal to 1, and quotient of x b is defined by it is minus it is 3, then quotient of it is constant term minus it is 11. Therefore applying a quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by it is 2a, that is equal to minus into minus plus it is 3 plus or minus square root of b value equal to minus 3 it is whole square minus 4 into x value equal to 1 and y c value equal to minus it is 11 by 2 into a value equal to 1, and that is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 into minus 3 plus it is 9, then minus plus it is 4 into 11 is called 40, it is 4 by it is 2. The next line, that is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of the term 4, 9 plus it is 44, 9 plus 44 it is 53, therefore 50 it is 3 by it is 2. Therefore x can take the value equal to plus 3 plus it is square root of 53 by it is 2, and 3 minus it is root it is 53 by it is 2, and this it is value of it is x only, defined by the root of this equation. The other roots are defined by 3 plus root of 53 by it is 2, comma 3 minus square root of 53 by 2, and these two values are defined by other root of this given this equation. Question number 3. Find the real roots of the equation x power 4 that is equal to 16. Now given that x power it is 4 that is equal to 16, just transfer the term x power it is 4 minus 16 that is equal to 0. Now we can rewrite it as x power it is 4 as x square it is whole square minus 16 we can write as 4 square, and that is equal to 0. 16 as write as 4 square. Now applying of it is a square minus b square form. A square minus b square form. A equal to x square, b equal to it is 4. Therefore x square plus it is 4, a plus b into x square minus it is 4, that is equal to 0. Now x square minus plus it is 4 not able to factorize. Again we can convert the term x square minus it is 4 as x square minus 2 square. X square plus it is 4 as it is into x square minus it is 4 we can write 2 square and that is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus it is 4 as it is into x square minus 2 square a square minus b square form x plus 2 and x minus it is 2. Therefore x plus it is 2 into x minus 2 that is equal to 0. Now either it is x square plus it is 4 equal to 0 or x plus it is 2 that is equal to 0 or it is x minus 2 that is equal to 0. Therefore x and transfer the term x that is equal to minus 2, transfer the term x that is equal to plus it is 2. Now here consider term x square plus it is 4 that is equal to 0, transfer the term x square is equal to minus it is 4. Therefore x that is equal to plus or minus square root of it is minus 4. That is mean plus or minus square root of minus 1 into it is 4. Root of it is minus 1 defined by it is I. I is called what? It is imaginary value. Therefore it is equal to plus or minus and root of it is minus it is 1 defined by I. Therefore it is I into the root of it is 4 we can write it is 2. Root of it is 2, root of it is 4 we can write 2. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus it is I into it is 2. It is this, it is roots defined by it is imaginary roots. Defined by it is imaginary root. Therefore, we want to find out only it is real root. What is real roots are? Defined by the real roots are it is x that is equal to minus 2 and it is plus 2. Therefore, x obtain the real roots are minus 2 and plus 2. And this root obtain imaginary roots because of it is I is involved. And if I is involved in this x value and that root defined by imaginary roots, therefore we want to find out real roots. Real roots are defined by x equal to minus 2, x equal to plus 2, minus 2 and plus 2 are it is real root of this given in this equation. Come to next question number 4. Solve this equation 2x plus it is 1 whole square minus 3x plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now given that 2x plus it is 1 it is whole square minus within the bracket 3x plus it is 2 it is whole square is equal to 0. Now applying of it is a square minus b square form, a equal to 2x plus it is 1, b equal to 3x plus 2. Therefore 2x plus it is 1 a plus it is 3x plus it is 2 is called b. A plus it is b, a plus b into 2x plus it is 1 is called a minus it is 3x plus it is 2 is called b and is equal to 0. It is a minus it is b. It is a plus it is b, a minus b. Now just simplify, remove the bracket 2x plus it is 1 plus it is 3 it is x plus 2 one of the bracket. Next 2x plus it is 1 minus 3x minus 2 that is equal to 0. Now add the term 2x plus 3x that is equal to 5 it is x plus 1 plus 2 equal to 3 within the bracket. Now separating here minus 3x plus it is 2x minus it is x and plus it is 1 minus 2 minus it is 1 that is equal to 0. Either this bracket equal to 0 or this bracket equal to 0. Therefore 5x plus it is 3 that is equal to 0 or it is minus x minus 1 that is equal to 0. Therefore 5x that is equal to minus 3 and x that is equal to minus 3 by it is 5. Then minus x that is equal to it is plus it is 1, x that is equal to minus it is 1. Therefore x can take the value x that is equal to minus 3 by it is 5 and it is minus 1. It is called solution of it is the equation. The value of x, the root of the x, the zeros of x are called x equal to minus 3 by 5 and it is minus this 1.